Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young boy named Raj. Raj was a hard-working and determined young man who had recently completed his education but was struggling to find a job in the village. Despite his best efforts, he remained unemployed. And this situation weighed heavily on his shoulders. Raj's family was poor, and his parents were aging. He felt a deep responsibility to support them and provide for their needs. Every day, he searched for job opportunities in the village and neighboring areas, but luck seemed to elude him. One day, as Raj was sitting under a large tree near the village square, an elderly man named Mr. Gupta approached him. Mr. Gupta was known for his wisdom and kindness. He noticed the despair in Raj's eyes and decided to offer some advice. "Raj," Mr. Gupta began, "I see your struggle, and I want to share a story with you. Once, there was a farmer who planted a young sapling. He watered it diligently and waited for it to grow into a tree that would bear fruits. But, despite his efforts, the tree didn't seem to grow. The farmer felt frustrated and considered uprooting it." Raj listened intently as Mr. Gupta continued. However, a wise neighbor advised the farmer to have patience. He said, "Young trees take time to grow strong roots and bear fruit. Be patient and continue to care for it." Raj thought about this story for a moment and then asked, "But, Mr. Gupta, how does this relate to my situation?" Mr. Gupta smiled kindly and replied, "Raj, just like that sapling needs time to grow into a fruitful tree. Your efforts will eventually bear fruit. Patience and perseverance are the keys. Keep searching for opportunities. Keep improving your skills, and never lose hope. Your time will come." Raj took Mr. Gupta's advice to heart. He continued his job search with renewed determination and patience. Months passed, and one day, he received a job offer from a nearby town. It wasn't the perfect job, but it was a start. Over the years, Raj worked hard, learned new skills, and steadily improved his situation. As he looked back on his journey, he realized that the lesson of patience he had learned from Mr. Gupta was invaluable. Raj's story became an inspiration to the other young people in the village who were facing similar challenges, reminding them that with determination and patience, they could overcome adversity and build a better future for themselves and their families.